let's go try to scam somebody.
Yeah, we're fidget trading, and you're not scamming. Yeah. Okay. Lala, put that P back. Okay.
Hey, what do you want to offer, sweetie?
You know, okay.
Period.
Okay, so I'll offer this glitter dumpling. Wait, actually, this isn't glitter. This is red. But I'll offer this cool little mini guy. Guys, look at it. It's actually pretty cool.
We just made this trading board. It's so cute.
Got a little poppet. It's got everything.
Yeah, we have to not post this video till 5 because we have this art show, I'm guessing.
Yeah, but
I don't really care.
okay, let's go.
I am going to trade you. This is really cool. I already have one.
No touchies.
I already have one, but
This is.
it will be great to have two.
This is the rare version.
Yeah, I don't really have that kind, so it must be. I will trade you this maze.
We're gonna have to add.
Girl, you're an ad person.
I'm not an ad person. Or I can decline.
I can decline.
So can I.
I will give you this
Fine.
green.
I want more Fidget, so I'm also taking this Neato. Glow in the dark Neato.
Okay, I'll trade you this green spinny. You want it? And this piece, and this. You want to offer? Put it down. How much is
A glitter dumpling would be cool, yeah. So
I'll give you
keep
this.
everything off, but the sweet pea.
I'll also trade you
That's a red dumpling.
a red dumpling.
Give me a glitter. I don't want this trash. Hey, no.
Fine, I'll give you a glitter dumpling and you can see it.
Yeah.
Give me
It's not true.
Except-
I go.
Actually, no, I decline.
No, you have to.
No,
I already accepted it.
Scam.
No.
Fine.
Give me all my stuff. And give me that
You're an
glitter.
illegal. You're an illegal fighter.
You know what?
Taking my noodles and I'm out.
Thanks. Give me that.
Harrison, this is mental cheating. This is mental cheating. Stop! Give it back, Johnny.
Thanks, guys.
Bye. At least I have 2 needles.